Braceability's hernia support belt is 5 inches tall and made of a breathable nylon and spandex blended material for all-day comfort. This lightweight and latex-free fabric allows you to wear the belt discreetly under or over your clothing. It is even flexible enough to wear while working out. This belt can be worn by men or women who have an abdominal hernia and fits a wide variety of body shapes and sizes. The belt features a silicone molded pad that provides localized support over your hernia, decreasing pain and preventing your hernia from protruding. A removable and washable terry cloth fabric covers the pad, making it soft against your skin. 2 supportive spiral stays on the back prevent the belt from rolling or bunching, which makes it comfortable to wear while sitting, standing, or lying down. However, they can be removed if desired. Identify the inside of the belt by locating the tag. Take the pad and attach it at the opposite end. Wrap the belt around your body so that the pad is positioned over your hernia. Then secure the Velcro closure, making sure you attach the end of the belt to the area with the Velcro compatible padding. Adjust the position of the pad and belt as needed. For optimal support, the raised bump on the pad should put pressure directly on your hernia.
If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@braceability.com or call us at 866-712-7808. And if you would like to see similar videos in the future, please subscribe to our channel. Also, click here to learn more about another abdominal brace that can be used for hernia relief.